power is defined as the rate at which work is done. In other words, the amount of energy that is consumed per unit time. In mechanics, the power is equal to the work done divided by the time. But in general terms, the power is written down as follows. Power equals energy over time. If I would like to evaluate the amount of power that is done by a given force, all I need to do is find the work done by that force divided by the time during which the force was doing work. If the force is a constant force, this can be simplified into F times the average speed. A little bar on top of a given variable like this one here means the average speed. The SI unit for power is joules per second, and that quantity has been unified into something called watts.